Have you ever been faced with multiple problems in a project and wondered, where do I even start? Which issues should I tackle first to have the greatest impact? Hi, I'm Andrew from PM Aspirant. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. We dive into all things project management to help you ace your certification and improve your project management skills. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tips and strategies. Today we're talking about a powerful tool used in quality management and problem solving, the Pareto Chart. If you've ever heard of the 80-20 rule, this tool is based on that principle, and it helps you focus on the most critical issues that will have the biggest impact when resolved. So what exactly is a Pareto chart? It's a combination of a bar and line graph that shows the frequency of defects or causes of problems in descending order. The goal is to help you quickly identify the vital few factors that are causing the majority of your issues. By focusing on these, you can make the biggest improvements with the least amount of effort. The Pareto chart is all about prioritization. In project management, we often have limited time and resources, so we need to make smart decisions about where to focus our efforts. That's where the Pareto chart comes in. It helps you determine which problems are the most significant and will have the greatest impact if resolved. In quality management, this tool is used to guide decisions about which issues to address first to improve overall quality. It's commonly used in processes like manage quality and control quality within the project quality management knowledge area. Let's talk about how a Pareto chart is structured. The bars represent individual causes of defects or problems, arranged in descending order from left to right. The tallest bar on the left shows the most frequent cause, and as you move to the right, the bars get shorter, representing less frequent causes. The line graph shows the cumulative percentage of the total defects or problems. As you move from left to right across the bars, this line indicates the cumulative impact of addressing each cause. The beauty of this structure is that it visually tells you that if you address the first few causes, you're tackling the majority of the problem. It's a clear way to prioritize. When interpreting a Pareto chart, the bars show the individual contribution of each cause to the overall problem, while the cumulative line tells you how much progress you'll make as you address these causes in order. By focusing on the first few bars on the left side, you can address the causes that have the largest impact. These are often referred to as the vital few. Addressing these issues first will give you the biggest improvements. The cumulative line helps you see the overall impact of your corrective actions. For example, if the first two bars contribute to 70% of the problem, solving those two issues could drastically improve your project performance or quality. The key concept behind the Pareto chart is the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. This principle suggests that roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. For example, in project management, you might find that 20% of defects cause 80% of the quality issues. If you focus on fixing that 20%, you'll resolve the bulk of your problems. It's an incredibly powerful way to prioritize efforts and improve efficiency. Now that we know what a Pareto chart is and how it works, let's discuss when you should use it. 1. Quality management. When your team is dealing with multiple defects or problems, the Pareto chart helps you determine which issues to prioritize for resolution. It's especially useful when you want to focus your limited resources on the most significant problems. 2. Process improvement. If you're working on process improvement initiatives, the Pareto chart helps identify which factors have the biggest impact on quality or performance. This way, you can focus your efforts on the right areas. 3. Root cause analysis. After identifying multiple causes of a problem, you can use a Pareto chart to highlight the most critical causes that need to be addressed first. It's great for visualizing the results of a root cause analysis and guiding your next steps. Creating a Pareto chart is pretty straightforward. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Identify and categorize the problems or defects you want to analyze. Step 2. Collect data on the frequency of each problem or defect. For example, how often does each defect occur in your process? Step 3. Arrange the data in descending order of frequency. The cause that happens the most goes on the left, and the less frequent causes go to the right. Step 4. Create a bar chart where the height of each bar represents the frequency of each cause. Step 5. Add a cumulative percentage line to show the overall impact as each cause is addressed. Step 6. Use the chart to prioritize which causes to tackle first. The causes represented by the tallest bars on the left are your top priorities. As a project manager, it's your responsibility to facilitate the use of Pareto charts effectively. You'll need to ensure that accurate data is collected on defects or problems. Help your team focus on the most significant issues based on the findings of the Pareto chart. Monitor the results after corrective actions are taken to ensure the desired improvements are achieved. By doing this, you help drive continuous improvement and maintain high-quality standards in your projects. Before we wrap up, let's briefly compare the Pareto chart to other common quality tools. Cause and effect diagram, Ishikawa. This diagram is used to identify potential causes of a problem, while the Pareto chart helps prioritize which of those causes to focus on based on frequency. Control charts. While Pareto charts focus on identifying the most frequent causes of problems at a specific point in time, control charts are used to monitor process stability over time. Histograms. Both histograms and Pareto charts use bar charts to display data, but Pareto charts arrange the data in descending order of importance and include a cumulative line to show the impact of addressing each cause. In summary, the Pareto chart is a powerful tool for prioritizing issues and improving project quality by focusing on the most significant causes of problems. Mastering the Pareto chart can help you make smarter decisions and drive greater project success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more project management insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.